Saffron, this spice evokes images of vibrant colors and exotic aromas. Its deep red threads and golden hues have fascinated people for millennia. But what makes saffron so special? Why has it been cherished across different cultures and eras? But saffron is more than just a spice, it is a story. A story that transcends time and geography, weaving its way through the annals of history. From ancient markets bustling with traders to the hands of artisans crafting delicate works, saffron has left an indelible mark. A story as old as time, a story woven into the very fabric of civilization. Saffron's journey is a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to seek out the extraordinary. It has been a symbol of wealth, a token of love, and a key ingredient in both culinary and medicinal practices. Our journey begins thousands of years ago. Imagine the ancient lands of Mesopotamia. This cradle of civilization, with its rich history and culture, was the birthplace of saffron cultivation. The fertile plains and the ingenuity of its people allowed saffron to flourish. Here, saffron was first cultivated. Archaeological evidence reveals its presence in ancient artwork and dyes. The vibrant colors extracted from saffron were used to create stunning pieces of art and textiles, showcasing its importance in daily life and ceremonial practices. This tells us that saffron was highly prized even then. It was not just a commodity, but a symbol of status and sophistication. The ancient Mesopotamians understood its value and integrated it into their culture in myriad ways. From Mesopotamia, saffron traveled across the world. It became a valuable trade item carried by caravans and ships to distant lands. The spice routes facilitated the exchange of saffron, spreading its allure far and wide. It reached the Mediterranean, where the Egyptians used it in perfumes and medicines. The ancient Egyptians revered saffron for its aromatic properties and healing benefits. It was an essential component in their elaborate rituals and daily life. The ancient Greeks and Romans incorporated saffron into their rituals and cuisines. For the Greeks, saffron was associated with the gods and used in sacred ceremonies. The Romans, on the other hand, indulged in saffron-infused dishes and used it to scent their baths and homes. Saffron's journey had just begun. As it spread across continents, each culture embraced it in unique ways. From the palaces of Persia to the kitchens of India, saffron became a universal symbol of luxury and refinement. Its legacy continues to this day, a spice as old as time, yet ever so timeless. Saffron holds a special place in Indian culture. This vibrant spice, derived from the flower of Crocus sativus, is not just a culinary delight, but a symbol of spirituality and tradition. Its deep orange-red threads are often seen in various cultural and religious contexts across the country. It is mentioned in ancient Hindu scriptures. These texts, some of which date back thousands of years, highlight the significance of saffron in rituals and ceremonies. The sacred threads are often used to sanctify and purify, symbolizing the divine connection between the earthly and the spiritual. These scriptures date back thousands of years. They provide a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Indian heritage, where saffron is revered not just for its color and aroma, but for its spiritual essence. The ancient manuscripts often depict saffron as a gift from the gods, a bridge to the divine. In Hinduism, saffron represents purity and auspiciousness. Priests use it in various rituals, from marking sacred symbols to anointing deities. The presence of saffron in these ceremonies is believed to invoke blessings and positive energy, making it an integral part of spiritual practices. Saffron is an important part of many religious ceremonies. It is offered to deities as a mark of respect and devotion. The threads are often used to create intricate patterns and designs which are believed to attract divine favor and protection. It is used to mark sacred spaces and objects. By doing so, these spaces and objects are consecrated, set apart for divine purposes. The act of marking with saffron is a ritualistic practice that signifies the presence of the divine and the sanctity of the space. Saffron is also used in traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda. Known for its healing properties, Saffron is a key ingredient in many Ayurvedic remedies. It is believed to have numerous health benefits, from improving digestion to enhancing mood and vitality. Ayurveda considers saffron a potent healing agent. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties make it a valuable component in treatments for various ailments. Saffron is often mixed with other herbs to create powerful concoctions that promote overall well-being. It is believed to balance the body and mind. Saffron is used in practices like meditation and yoga to enhance mental clarity and emotional stability. Consuming saffron-infused drinks is thought to harmonize the body's energies, leading to a state of balance and tranquility. Saffron's journey continued along the ancient trade routes. These routes connected east and west. The Silk Road played a significant role in introducing saffron to the world. During the Middle Ages, saffron reached Europe. It became a luxury item. It was coveted by royalty and the wealthy. The demand for saffron was so high that it sparked conflicts and trade wars. The spice was literally worth its weight in gold. Modern science has confirmed what ancient cultures have known for centuries. Saffron has incredible health benefits. This is due to its unique chemical composition. Saffron contains compounds like crocin, picrocrosin, and saffronal. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Studies suggest that saffron may improve mood, boost cognitive function, and even protect against certain diseases. Saffron is truly a golden spice of wellness. Saffron is the most expensive spice in the world. Why? Well, the answer lies in its cultivation. Saffron comes from the Crocus sativus flower, which blooms for a very short period each year. Each flower produces only 3 delicate stigmas, and these stigmas are the saffron threads. Harvesting these threads is a labor-intensive process that must be done by hand. This makes saffron production a time-consuming and costly affair. Kashmir in India is renowned for producing some of the finest saffron in the world. The region's saffron, often referred to as red gold, is highly sought after for its exceptional quality and unique characteristics. The cultivation of saffron in Kashmir dates back over 1,000 years, making it an integral part of the region's cultural and agricultural heritage. Kashmiri saffron is known for its intense aroma, vibrant color, and distinct flavor. These qualities make it a prized ingredient in culinary traditions around the world, from luxurious desserts to savory dishes. The painstaking process of harvesting saffron threads by hand ensures that each strand retains its full potency and flavor. This is due to the unique climate and soil conditions found in the region. The combination of the high altitude, well-drained soil, and the specific temperature range creates the perfect environment for saffron cultivation. The Himalayan mountains provide a natural barrier, protecting the delicate flowers from harsh weather conditions. Kashmiri saffron has been granted Geographical Indication, or GI status. This prestigious designation ensures that only saffron grown in this specific region can be labeled as Kashmiri saffron, preserving its reputation and preventing counterfeit products from flooding the market. This recognition protects its authenticity and heritage. The GI status not only safeguards the quality of the saffron, but also supports the local economy by ensuring fair prices for the farmers who cultivate this precious spice. It helps maintain the traditional farming practices that have been passed down through generations. It's a testament to the generations of farmers who have dedicated their lives to cultivating this precious spice. Their knowledge, expertise, and unwavering commitment to quality have made Kashmiri saffron a symbol of excellence. The legacy of these farmers is woven into every thread of saffron, making it not just a spice but a cultural treasure. Saffron cultivation is a labor of love. It's a year-round process that demands patience and dedication. It begins with the planting of the saffron bulbs in the late summer months. The flowers bloom in autumn, usually for only a few weeks. Harvesting must be done quickly and carefully. The saffron threads are then dried and meticulously sorted. This ensures the highest quality saffron reaches the market. From the ancient plains of Mesopotamia to the picturesque valleys of Kashmir, saffron has journeyed through time. This spice has added flavor, color, and fragrance to our world for millennia. Its cultural significance, medicinal properties, and culinary versatility make it a truly remarkable spice. As we move forward, let us appreciate the enduring legacy of saffron. Let us ensure that its story continues to be told and celebrated for generations to come.